Alright guys, today we'll be reviewing my Sabrosa. We'll be reviewing my Sabrosa. And we'll be reviewing its parts, its functionality, and how it runs, and how good it is.
Okay, let's start off with this hub right here.
Let's start off with the hub.
What color is that?
What color?
Yeah.
It's blue. It's shiny. It says Specialized on it.
Okay.
And we got the black rim with the loose spokes. The front ones aren't loose. The back ones are pretty loose. Spoke test. None fell out. We passed. Right now we're gonna move on to the grips. My favorite part of the bike. $7 bell grips from Walmart. I kid you not. I got a steal. They're like 50% off Black Friday. I fought 2 black girls and I ran over a baby for them. Kid you not. These bars are 8.5 inch rise, I believe. And you got 30 inches across.
Jeez.
So no bar spins for me. Here we got the Kink Bold. It's upside down, but no one knows. The Kink. No.
What's that symbol? What's that symbol?
That's Sabrosa finger.
Oh, these rims got double strip. Pretty good.
Yeah.
Don't know anything.
Yeah.
Let's get a look at these forks.
Whoa, my fork! Hey, we got some meatballs we can put the fork in.
Now these forks, they're pretty beast, right?
Yeah.
They got a lot of stickers on them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. No valve cap.
Yep.
We'll run that here.
Yeah.
All their stems are upside. These nice forks. Got metal pedals.
That's the best. That's the way to go. Right, Simon?
Did you poop yourself?
Egg roll!
This nice Sabrosa frame you're going on right now. This is a complete custom. I mean custom, not complete.
Yeah. Custom.
2011 model.
These are my Specialized handlebars that I spray painted.
Okay, cool.
Alright, let's move on to the sprocket.
Alright.
Wait, did you forget about the seals?
What seals? What, the headset? This shadow headset?
The shadow seals. Just quit it! That's my ear! It's compressed!
How many PSI are you running?
15.
Oh, look at that sprocket.
7.5.
Bubbles. But what?
I have a bell chain.
Yes.
You're over exaggerating!
2 fingers.
5. Look. That's as far as it goes up.
I'm not talking about Dom Mancuso's sister. I'm just kidding. Dom Mancuso's sister is actually a fuck.
Hot?
No. Oh my. Is that a dent?
Shut up, the sticker's there! You don't know?
Yeah.
I got this from a trailer park. I'm not even kidding. He kept texting me because he was trying to steal his bike back. He's like, maybe we should ride sometime. He said, you got these spare tires?
No way.
He's trying to steal his bike back. This is 100% stolen. I kid you not. His house is like a trailer as big as his garage, not even.
But we still prevailed.
Alrighty, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Don't come over here. It's dark. I can't see shit.
Alright, that felt pretty nice.
New rider.
Watch, more.
Bar tap in here. Fucking go. Oh.
Come in here, dude. Death day. Ah, sit here! I just broke my foot. It broken.
What happened?
I swear it's actually broke.
What happened?
It got caught in my tire.
What does that stick out right there?
Ah, you see?
Jeez.
Ow.
You have to explain the trick.
I'm getting butterflies.
You gotta do manual 720, right?
Manual bunny hop 720.
Yeah.
Manual bunny hop 720.
I've done it like 4 times successfully. Out of 4.
Hey, you're the first try every
success
time.
rate.